Hey guys, it's Alyssa and I'm back with another video. Today I have a little bit of a kind of a mismatch of things, or just a little bit more of a vlog, because I just recently went on a little bit of a thrift haul for my Valentine's drops, which are coming up on Tuesday and then next week Tuesday as well. And also I need to organize some of my inventory because it's gotten pretty unorganized since, I would say, like Black Friday, Christmas. I just really haven't kept it organized, and I want to reshuffle everything so that it makes more sense of where it all is. I've even gotten some newer items that are still just in boxes, so I'd like to get them put away and in a proper place so that they're not just in boxes on my floor anymore. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be doing today, is a little bit of a vlog for you to show you some different things that I'm doing for my Etsy shop. So to start off, I do want to share my findings from my thrift trip. So a little bit of a thrift haul for you. I went to the Volunteers store, so Volunteers of America. And again, I was looking for stuff that would fit Valentine's Day, because that's kind of my upcoming 2 drops. I'm going to have 2 back-to-back drops. I always drop everything on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. for my Etsy store. So I thought it'd be fun to do Valentine's drops back-to-back, just since we're about a month away from Valentine's Day. So first up are these matching red mugs. I love them. They're massive, so I feel like they could be coffee mugs if you want to drink that much coffee, but also perfect like little soup mugs. I think the red color is great for Valentine's Day, and I just really liked them together. So I sold quite a few mugs over Christmas, so I just thought that would be a fun thing to add for Valentine's Day. Next up is something I saw as I was actually exiting the store, or not exiting, I was in line to check out, and my Volunteers store has like a little setup at each checkout, just a lot of decor stuff, that there's like smaller stuff that you can grab as you're leaving. And I saw some red things, and so I went and took a look at it while I was waiting in line, and this popped out to me. So this is kind of like a burgundy color. It's a little bit harder to tell on the camera, but a burgundy color, and I wasn't sure what it was at first, but then I popped it open and realized that it was a candle, and I really liked it. It's like a peppermint smell, and has obviously not been used before, but I feel like the canister itself is very cool and very vintage. So yeah, this was an easy add for me for Valentine's Day. Next up is something that I thought was really cool, and that was a pottery bowl. It's just one single bowl, so not a set, but it is artist signed on the back. I don't think really for any specific reason or like big artist or anything like that. I just think it's cool to see stuff like this that was handmade, and I really liked the red color. So yeah, I picked this up for my drop. Next up was something really cute that I saw, and I'm not really sure when I'm going to add this item. Hold on one second. And it's this little red cardinal mug. Now red is obviously a color for Valentine's Day, but I'm not sure if I'm going to add this right away. I just like the fact that it's like an Ohio mug, because the red cardinal is the state bird for Ohio, and I just thought the mug was a really cute one. It's quite small, but yeah, I really liked it. The last thing I got was something that I want to get more of, because glasses do pretty well for me on my Etsy shop, like matching glass sets, including even sets of 2. So these are like little tumbler, like Scotch glasses or whatever, but I thought they were super cute and had a really cool little feature here with this ridge at the bottom. I liked it. I feel like it's a very giftable item, which can sometimes be perfect for Valentine's Day. So even though it's not red or pink or something with hearts on it, I still felt like it was cute enough to add, especially if it's a gift for a significant other. It's 2, so perfect for that. So that is everything I got from my thrift haul for my upcoming Valentine's Day drops. Make sure to follow me on social media. The links are down in the description because I will be posting all of these fun pictures and whatnot in the next 2 weeks to show this awesome drop that I get to do. I will be looking for some more things again because I'll have the 2 back-to-back drops, but I would say this is a really good start and I'm happy with what I found today. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm so excited for everything that's coming with the Valentine's drops and I can't wait to get it all out there for you. Make sure to check out my Etsy shop in the description down below and also subscribe and like this video if you are enjoying this content of me just showing you my small business journey on Etsy and as a vintage small business, vintage home decor small business. Yeah, I will catch you all next time. Bye.